So guys, you know, I've been doing a lot of wholesale mystery boxes, unboxing. It's kind of fun, mysterious, but a lot of times it's not worth it, or I don't need any of that stuff. So I'm stuck with a bunch of cool stuff that I will never use. So instead of doing mystery boxes and wholesale return Amazons, I'm gonna just buy the stuff I actually like or always wanted and just do a little unboxing. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I got a stock of Benchmade knives. This right here is around $700 total of knives. Very high quality knives. One of the best company who makes knives. For those people who doesn't know, just like me, getting into knives. I used to not care about them, but the more and more I was doing videos about them, I was getting into it and I actually love them now. Still learning though, so don't judge me too hard. So let's do quick unboxing and let's see what I got. For the first one, we got here Benchmade Bugout, and there is a serial number, blue glass. Okay, and my knife choice for unboxing knife is one of these survival cheap knives that I bought long time ago, probably my first knife I bought for the video. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh, this is my first Benchmade ever opening. This is nice. Let's look in here real quickly, just for the first time, for those people who never seen. Okay, I'll never open this thing again, just a bunch of information. And let's see what this thing is about. Wow, nice. This thing is super popular. Okay, what is this for? I guess to elicit. Okay, very nice. And to close it, you just push this up. Okay, we'll have to practice. I'll tell you what, first impression, the handle is super skinny, lightweight, obviously very sharp. I'm pretty sure they guarantee sharp for life. They'll sharpen it for you, all the Benchmades. I'm not 100%, but I did see something like that. Very unique. There's right here a clip. Also left hand right here. I'm not a left-handed, so it'll be harder, but it's both for left hand and right hand. I'll stick with my right hand. So it doesn't flick out that easily. I'm sure it's possible. Wow, it just closed. Ow, almost cut myself. This thing is sharp. Okay, Benchmade Bugout. Very cool. I like it that they put one layer plastic, like a seal. This is so cool. Okay, oh, which one is this? Benchmade Reptilian, and there is a serial number over here. Okay, very nice. Kind of scratched up a little bit. It should be brand new. I got it on eBay, I think, so that's why it's not brand new. But oh well. Ooh, nice. Flicks out almost. Same thing. You can close it like that. Ah, constantly trying to cut my finger. Not used to opening knives like that. Let's see if it will flick out. Not really. I'm trying to. Oh, there you go. It works like that too. Hold it. So maybe better for closing it, opening it like that. If you practice enough, you could probably flick it out quickly. But there you go. I really like the blade of it. Check this out. So nice. Also, I really love the Benchmade butterfly logo. The handle pretty light, much bigger handle. I kind of like this one way better than the Bugout one. I mean, it is much more smaller to fit in your pocket, but I have big pockets. I don't mind bigger knives, so I kind of like it better, this one, with my big hands. This right here, Benchmade Alla 380. Okay, let's open it up. Give you a couple of extra screws for some reason. That's cool. that's a tiny one. Ooh, I like that. Very lightweight. Bottle opener, screwdriver. Ooh, I love knives like that. Tiny but cute. And I like how it's a square knife right here. Is it easy to open them? Yep. So like a little box opener in a way. Doesn't flick out, but folds out pretty good. One of those shaving looking knives. Very unique clip, and I think the extra screws is for this thing. For the next one we got here Tong tool 602. Oh wow, this one it has a leather case. How do you take it out? There you go. Ooh, this is a cute one. Even smaller one. I love small knives. So this is looks like a little pry bar, screwdriver, bottle opener, and then it flips out like that, and boom, becomes a knife. What I love about this kind of tiny knives, whenever the blade is still thick and the edge is nice and sharp. Look at that. And you can flip it over for the tool. Probably this is what you're going to be holding it in with a close position. I really love the texture of this. I don't know what it is, plastic of some sort. Feels so good. And there's a shield on it. Beautiful. I like how they stick with a big logo on it too. Okay, for the next one I got here Benchmade Hunt, Graze Ridge, and 15061. There you go. First impression, the handle feels like rubber. Doesn't smoosh too much, but there you go. A little bit different blade, as you can see. I kind of like this blade, and the handle very comfortable compared to the Bugout one. Was too tiny, so I like much thicker handles. Let's hold it like that. Oh wow, nice. You can just press it like that and close it. This one kind of works a little bit better than the Bugout one. I was trying to do it with the other one, the second one that I unboxed. It didn't work that well. This one actually sticks whenever I close it, most of the time. Just gotta practice a little bit, that's kinda cool. Obviously you can open it this way too. I'm not a fan to open it this way, my hands are just too big, or I just need to keep practicing. Very nice, comfortable knife. It's definitely one of my top choices right here. Okay, as much I love little boys, I love the big boys too. Bushcraft 162. Very nice. There's model number and everything. It's funny how I'm using like $10 or $8 knife to open up this really cool knives. Ooh, look at that one. Leather casing. That I like. I guess you can put the fire rod in here. Fire starter. That is a really thick blade. I love the handles that they have. They're so smooth, and look at that. When I'm touching it, for some reason it gives this kind of weird layer on it. I don't know what it is. Benchmade right here. That is a thick big boy right here. I like it. I don't think I even have a good bushcraft knife. I think the stuff I have is like $10 survival knife. So this is my first. I have really big hands. Look at my broken finger doesn't help. But yeah, I mean, it's not broken anymore, but it's sideways now. Very, very comfortable knife, that's for sure. I love that shine, and that butterfly make it even look better. Obviously super, super sharp. I don't even have to tell you guys. Love the handle too, or whatever, the holster. Boom. Excuse my English. And sadly, but this one is the last one. This is Benchmade Hunt saddle mounted skinner with hook, 10-150-03-2. So this one was actually pretty hard to find. It's sold out. I think this one I got on eBay. Some of them I bought, I think, on Amazon. So this one, a mini boy, but let's see how it looks like. It doesn't have a strap compared to the other one. Look at that logo. The leather feels high-end quality. Look at that stitch, and you don't see the stitch right here because they sealed it. I never seen anything like that actually. That's cool. Okay, belt. So I guess this is skinner hook to skin the animal for hunting, and looks like it's been sharpened from this edge. Ooh, this is very sharp. I do not want to put my finger into it. I really like this design, the way it goes in this way and out. The handle is wooden one. Finally, very, very comfortable. With my big hands, Kat is going to enjoy this one for sure. She loves the hook knives like that. She actually specifically asked for this one. So it's gonna be hers. The other one, the Bushcraft, will be mine. Very, very nice knife. What do you guys think? Are you obsessed about knives as I am yet? Because I just grew my obsession with my first Benchmades. But I will be opening up much, much cheaper knives also. This is start with high end. Look at that. I didn't even notice. Very nice, comfortable. But yeah, let me know in comments below which knives do you want me open, which brand knives do you want me to do the unboxing. And in the future I might put some of them to the test. But yeah, there you go.